Oh, boo. So, I fired this thing about 3 times. You can see there's cracks in every joint. Every joint. Or at least mostly every joint. There's one long one down that. See one there in the middle of the screen. The one forward of that, the one behind that is all cracked. So I wanted to see whether or not the thing would hold up, and I picked up on the face about right here, and it cracked there. I put it back on, and it was still intact at this point. And I applied about 10 pounds of pressure in the center, and it did this. So what is this stuff called? Heat Stop 50 does not work very well as a structural load, I guess is what I'll call it. Now, every one of my side joints were at the recommended setting, although the surface area is only 1 inch wide. That may have something to do with it. And the lid is crushed fire brick, as well as the Heat Stop 50, poured at about 1.25 inches, maybe 1.5 inches, about 1.25 inches deep, 1 3/8 inches. So yeah, I did have it. It was pretty hot. It was pretty hot. I've got this guy. This is my centerpiece. I'm curious how the guys on the inside are holding up. All of those joints appear to be cracked as well. I did that break there in the center of the stone there is from me. I did that. I did that when I was installing the thing. Yeah. This is, well, that guy there is loose. But all of the other joints seem to be pretty well fastened. Backside of this. This is all pretty good. You need multiple points of joints in order to, I don't know if there's a calculation we can do for surface area or not, to derive, how much surface area is bonded compared to how long it's going to last against the heat. I'm not sure, but I'm posting my failures as well as my successes, so others can not have to make the same mistake and learn from it. And for those of you who want to balk and squawk about the stainless steel riser, it's just a regular stainless steel riser from Lowe's, and it's just for testing. I'll be disassembling that stainless steel and going with either a ceramic or, well, I was going to say I was going to pour a form out of this stuff, but I'm not so sure. So now I'm going to try to go up to the next size of I'm going to pour a form of this that's thicker, maybe 2 inches perhaps. I'm not exactly sure what I'm going to do, but I'll share it when I do it. Thanks, guys.